I wish I knew this 30 years ago. The wealth creation secrets they don't teach you want to get rich. What if I told you that most people waste decades following outdated advice, while the wealthy use proven, simple strategies to build fortunes? This video will change your financial future. Stick around because by the end, you'll either be angry you didn't learn this sooner or excited to take action. The 5 wealth creation secrets you must know before it's too late. 1. Compound interest, the eighth wonder of the world. If you invested just $300 a month at 10% return historically, the S&P 500 average, you'd have $1 million in 30 years. But if you started 10 years earlier, you'd have to $0.5 million more. Time is your biggest asset. Start now. 2. The broken system most people fall for. The traditional path. Go to school gives, get a job gives, save gives, retire at 65. The wealthy, they own assets, stocks, real estate, businesses that make money. While they sleep. Which side do you want to be on? 3. The lazy investor strategy works every time. Warren Buffett's secret. Buy and hold index funds S&P 500. No stock picking, no stress, just consistent growth. Example. If you put $10,000 in the S&P 30 years ago, it'd be worth $200,000 plus today. 4. The one mistake that keeps people poor. Spending on liabilities, cars, gadgets, debt instead of assets, stocks, real estate, skills. Rich people buy assets first, then luxuries. 5. The side hustle by what actually works. Most side hustles are time wasters. Real wealth comes from scaling a skill, consulting, freelancing, YouTube, owning a business, even a small one, investing the profits. Final challenge. Will you take action or stay broke? Will you keep doing what everyone else does or start building real wealth today? Like, if you're committing to financial freedom, comment I'm in. If you're taking action, share this with someone who needs to see it. Subscribe for more wealth secrets.